I found this beautiful place a few days ago when I was taking my last Instagram photo in a white dress. By the way, subscribe to my Instagram if you didn't yet. All links you will find down below. Hello guys! What a wonderful day outside. I'm so thankful for your warm comments under my last video. I'm reading all of your messages and your feedback is so important for me. Many of you enjoyed the cooking part of my last video. So today we are not going to hunt an evil spirits. I will leave them for next time. I injured my back on the last training, so I have to wear my fitness corset, so the back is not hurting that much. Talking about cooking, despite the fact that I am a big yummies lover, when it comes to cooking those yummies, I order pizza and go back to work. In my personal case, I don't find it productive to spend time for cooking. I made my everyday meals so simple, so I spend like a minimum time for them. Sometimes food that I am eating on a daily basis looks so weird, but it is mostly very healthy and very nutrition. But camping and cooking outside is a totally different thing, and I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. It is always such a special atmosphere, and you always have such a great appetite when you are doing this outside. So guys, that's pretty it. The day is going to its end, it is almost sunset, and I'm already gathering things and going home. I wanted you to spend this relaxing day with me, and I hope you really enjoyed the atmosphere. And if you are wondering why I am in such a happy mood today, the answer is extremely simple. This is actually the first really warm day since last year. It is so warm that I even don't have socks under my boots. That is why I'm so happy. I will be very glad to see your comments and likes if you liked this video. And don't forget to smash the bell button and subscribe if you didn't subscribe yet. And I will see you in the next video.